How to find and see all photos and videos in a conversation on Facebook Messenger PC. Hello guys, so what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook Messenger on PC and choose the conversation that you want to find the photos and videos in. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on those three dots like this, and after you click on the three dots, now all what you have to do is click on media and files. Click here on media, and here you go. Now right here you will find all the media easily and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.